Hi guys, today I'm gonna show y'all how to enable turning on Google Assistant by saying "Hey Google" on INFINIX Zero 40. Firstly, go into the settings. Now tap on the search bar, search up Assistant, and go into "Hey Google" and voice match. Turn on, tap on this button. I'm just going to skip this part. You should obviously read before agreeing. Next. And as you can see, it has been enabled. So now let's try activate Google Assistant. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. If you have a problem like this that it doesn't really work, you can tap on retrain voice model and you will have to just read the things that are written on your screen. So tap here and now once again. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set the timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Tap on next. And now let's try again. Hey Google. Yeah, it worked the first time. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.